this is how we drive a mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python to your computer. So you want to learn AI, or at least how the AI works. In this case, very simple tutorial guys. Go to Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, doesn't matter, and type python.org, the page of Python directly. Here we go. Always try to download from the original source. Don't download from the sources from here and there. Okay, now here we go guys. You have many options. You see download Python version for Windows. You see 3.11.3. Note Python 3.9 cannot be used or Windows 7 or earlier. You can download Python in Windows, Mac OS or other platform as well, Linux or other as well. So let's download it in Windows. I hit Python this one. As you see, the file is downloaded at the bottom. The process is almost done. I double click this one. Let's minimize this one and hit run the Python application. Install now, customize, add Python to the path and whatever you want. I use as common as it is. I hit install now. Yes, allow them. Let's see. So here we go. It says success setup was successful. I close this one. So it's done. The Python is already installed in your computer. In next video I'm going to show you how you can use a code with Python. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.